Yeah, okay, class, good morning.
Morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah. For reading and writing skill, yeah. Okay, for reading today. On this topic today, we will discuss about what kind of reading text. Writing text is describing your future. Yeah? Describing your future. To make prediction, describing your future. Before we continue, would you like to make your camera on position, class? Oke, kelas. Silahkan diaktifkan kameranya. Ya. Describing Cika, apa Cika? Describing your future. If you start from here, you are as English department student. So after you have graduated from English department student, what kind of profession you are interested? Kita mulai dari Aki Rufaidah. Ada UNAS Aki. Aki UNAS, ini saya rekam ya. Kalau Anda nggak aktif berarti nanti akan kita lihat. Alena Sanjaya, UNAS. Ada nggak ini? Nggak ada. Alsena. Okay, Alena. Would you like to make your camera on position, Alena? Nggak bisa.
No, I can't. Oh.
Ya, banyak orang yang nggak siap untuk online. Kalau kita lakukan online di Indonesia itu kendalanya seperti ini. Nggak bisa intensif gitu ya kegiatannya, karena nggak bisa komunikasi. Alsena ada?
Yes, sir.
Would you like to make your camera on position, Alsena? Okay. Yeah. Would you like to tell us, for describing future?
My future?
You start from here. You are English department student. What profession you are interested?
For my profession, I think I have an idea for being a teacher in school, or maybe in course outside the school to teach, of course, in English. And maybe I also think about being a tour guide. That's it.
Okay. English. You are interested to become English teacher, Alsena?
Yes, I do.
Alright. to become English teacher based on your maybe information or experience, maybe source from your friend or maybe your parent itself? Is it easy, interesting, or difficult, challenging? Yeah, tell us. English
Uh,
profession for you, maybe?
First, my mom is an English teacher, and maybe I'm inherited with her ability to speak English or learning English. So I take English lesson in school as a fun lesson, and me myself, I am also interested in learning language other than bahasa Indonesia.
All right, yeah. Okay, actually, if you become English teacher, what is your requirement? As in, requirement,
Uh,
maybe the basic requirement you should have.
Maybe, of course, the degree from being education degree for education, your ability to teach and skills, and of course, the ability of your English skills.
Ability of English skill. Yeah.
Yes.
Would you like to mention what abilities in English skill? Yeah.
As for the basics such as speaking, listening, writing, and speaking, it's
Okay.
the basic to teach for the children.
Hmm. Which one is more interesting for you? Teaching English for young learner or adult learner?
The young learner.
Young learner, all right. Yeah.
Yes.
Would you like to mention why young learner is more interesting? The reason why,
Because
Asina?
I think it's good to teach them how what is English as first and why do they need to learn English.
All
That's
right.
it.
What
I
is the
want to
challenges?
introduce English to
Oh,
them.
all right. What is the challenges, or maybe if you the other beside challenges, the advantages or disadvantages if you teach young learner?
Uh, I think because young learner has variety of their characteristics, so I think it will be challenging to find the good methods to teach.
Yeah, all right. Okay. For this moment, I think enough. Zena, thank for your cooperating and joining this class. Yeah. We continue with another student, An Andina Maharani. You with us, Andina?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay, Andina. Okay, thank you, Andina. The same question, more or less, with you. Try to describe profession you are interested after you have graduated from English department.
Um, Maybe I interested to be a English teacher.
Mhm. Okay, yeah. English teacher is interesting for you. You have
Yes,
maybe reason why English teacher are interesting for you because background of
because
family, your maybe parent or others.
oh no, because I think English is fun and I like English. I like to learn English language so I can teach English to the student.
Do you have experiences teaching English?
No, no,
Not
sir.
yet, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Andina, for future, if you become English teacher, which one is more interesting or more challenging for you? Teaching English young learner or teaching English adult learner?
More challenging, sir.
Yeah, more interesting or maybe challenging.
Oh, I think more interesting is for young
Yeah, all right. Young
and
learner, right?
young and the challenging is for adult because I think when I when teach the young learner, it will be more fun and more be easy.
Yeah. Then what element or factor teaching English for young learner and interesting?
I think
The
because
activity of teaching, or maybe the material of teaching, or maybe others.
I think the activity because
The
they are
activity.
still young.
All right, yeah. What is characteristics of young learner? Would you like to mention young learner? Maybe elementary school learner, or
Yes,
maybe junior high school learner, or senior high school learner? Which one? And
elementary school.
elementary school.
Yes.
Yeah, if it's classified here, uh, the development of young learner. What is the characteristic of young learner in learning
Char-
English? In learning English, yeah.
The characteristic.
Karakteristik, ya. What we call here karakteristik maybe is untuk memudahkan seseorang mengenali yang diajari adalah young learner. What is characteristics of young learner?
Maybe they more
Based on their understanding, ya, Andi.
they more cepat untuk memahami memahami materi atau apa yang diajarkan.
Okay, right, yeah. And then maybe in teaching English for young learner here, especially which one is the maybe what we call here suitable time in the
Sorry, sir.
morning, the suitable time, the prime time, waktu yang tepat. Get the point, Andina? Yeah, teaching English for young learner. What time is it? Prime time for English young learner in the morning or in the afternoon?
In the morning, because if in the morning is we will have more energy to study.
All right, for English young learner, which one is according to your understanding? Interesting learning English in the room or out of the room?
In the room, because we will be more focused.
All right, yeah. Yeah. Which one is more interesting for you? You teaching English for young learner, maybe as individual or maybe as team? Team teaching or single, and then which one?
I think as team.
Team teaching, yeah. It's more
Yes.
interesting. Do you have reason why, Andina?
Because when as team we can more easy to teach them, and we can make a discussion.
All right, yeah. Okay, thank you, Andina, for this moment. You have joining and interacting with us. Right.
Yes, sir.
The next student, please. Ariel Atala. Ariel, you with us?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Ariel, would you like to make your camera on position?
Okay. Hold on. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Ariel, you ready with? Oh, you have some question? Are you ready, Ariel?
Yeah.
Are you ready? All
I
right.
think so.
Yeah. All right. Yeah. For future, Ariel. Right. Yeah. What profession you are interested in, Ariel? English teacher or non-English teacher?
Yeah,
For future for you
I think,
after graduated from
I think
English
for me,
department.
mm, I think I will be hard to be at sorry, may I repeat? I mean for me, I think it is hard for me to be an English teacher because there's many things that outside of English that I cannot do, like about teaching stuff, and so that's why uh, for the future, I think I want to be a non-English teacher
Uh,
because for me,
all right.
it is hard to explain things.
Hmm. Would you like to mention more specifically non-English teacher? What profession? More specific, maybe, Ariel?
Profession, well, I am not really picky as long it is not a English teacher. I think I will be fine. Like maybe a translator or work out or working in an office that needs to have an English interpreter and something like that.
Yeah, the translator, interpreter, maybe. Announcer, you interesting, Ariel?
Hmm? Yes.
Announcer.
Yeah.
All right, yeah. All right, yeah. Have you maybe preparation to get this profession, translator maybe or others? Do you have preparation for the day, Ariel?
I will probably not, but
Mm-hmm.
I will try to learn as much as I can to have a potential in the future.
All right, yeah. Yeah, as translator, what is, would you like to mention the interesting translator profession? In what maybe element you are interested in as translator, Ariel?
Hmm, I think what aspect of make it interest? Well, for me, that may I think I need to hear that question again. I'm sorry. May I hear that question again?
Oh, question. Yeah. What element or maybe what factor you think that English translator is more interesting? What element or
Well,
maybe what factor you make that translator is more interesting profession?
I think hmm, I think it's not about interesting part, but I
Mhm.
suppose I think it is not about what is interesting or not. But if I have to say it, maybe because translating is easier than teaching. Because to translate is to simply to convert them into Indonesian, while teaching you have to make sure that they are understand what are you saying and what are you teaching them. I think conversion, the conversion is the interesting aspect of the translating,
All right.
converting English
Okay.
to
What about the
Indonesian.
salary? According to you, which one is high salary? Teaching English or translator?
I think it is depends, but I think English te- English teachers should have a higher wage, and
Hmm.
they should have because they are teaching the future generation, while translating is more of formal job.
All right. Yeah.
I think that's my opinion. I think that's what I
Yeah.
think.
Okay. Yeah. And then become English translator here. You do by you yourself, or maybe you try to join with other friend. Ariel.
Probably I will go by myself, but
You myself. Yeah.
hmm?
So you
Yes,
go by yourself, not by with your friend.
yeah,
All right. Yeah.
probably because hmm,
What is your
because
reason?
I am not very social.
All right, yeah. So you uh, introvert or extrovert person? Introvert.
Okay.
All right, yeah. Uh,
My communication skill is low.
mm-mm. Uh, have you ever maybe information anything with uh, a translator profession? Have you have maybe information?
Sorry, sir. May could you repeat
All
it?
right. Okay. Uh, have you maybe enough information relating with translator profession?
I
Do you have
think
enough?
I haven't.
Uh,
There's still things that I need to learn about
all right.
before going to have a job uh, being a translator,
Okay.
especially in especially in communication.
In communication. Yeah. So you are translated in spoken form or in written form?
I will prefer written, but sometimes we have to use sometimes we have to speak to our client, right? So that's
All right.
why I have to know how to learn the speaking too.
All right. Yeah. Based on your understanding, which one is easier? You translate maybe like English become Indonesian language, or on the maybe contrary, from Indonesian to become English.
Probably
Which one?
Indonesian to English. The,
Which one is easier?
because for me,
In the
yeah, because it is easier for me.
all right. Have you maybe experienced translation activity, Aaron?
Well, well, I kind of do actually. I
You
I
have.
usually communicate with my friend through WhatsApp, and through WhatsApp I use English as a form of communication. And if my friends doesn't understand the English, I have to translate what I'm saying to them.
All right. Okay, Aaron, I think that's all for you. Thank for your uh, joining this class. In the next,
Yeah.
Aurelia.
I apologize for being late too.
All
Yes,
right,
sir.
Aurelia, you with us?
Yes.
All right, Aurelia, as the topic we got from the book for future profession. Which one is your interesting? English teacher or non-English teacher, Aurelia?
I think I will be an English teacher.
Mhm. Is it more interesting or more challenging according to your understanding?
I think it's more challenging, sir, because we have to study some student with another character.
All right, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then more specifically, Aurelia, you teach English young learner or adult learner?
I think young learner.
A young learner, yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Do you know the characteristic of young learner in learning English, Aurelia?
Uh, I think no, sir.
Not
It's my
yet, yeah.
first impression. Yes.
All right, yeah. Okay, yeah. What about, do you have experience teaching English?
Maybe for teaching English, no, sir. But I, uh, when I senior high school,
Mhm.
I teach young children like playground children.
All right.
Yes.
How long? How many time? 1 week
I
or more
think
than
3 months.
3 months?
Yes.
Uh-uh. Based on your experiences here, Aurelia,
Yes.
what material they are interesting in learning English?
Um,
Pardon? You still remember, Aurelia? What material they are interesting? As long as you remember. Song maybe, or maybe activity with maybe spoken form, but they should perform.
Maybe when study about the our hobbies or tradition, maybe, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think. Um, what can I say, sir? I don't
Alright.
know.
In one session, for many time, for long, you are learning English with young learner.
I think 30 minutes or 15, a half
15.
minute.
All right. Which one is, based on your experiences, Aurelia? Which one is young learner are interesting? Learning English in the room or out of the room?
Sometimes I like in the room, but for
Oh
me,
no, for young learner, not for
or
you.
for
Uh-uh.
young learner,
Based on your
maybe
understanding.
they're like in the class in the
Uh-uh.
in the room.
Oh yeah, you prefer in the room, yeah.
Yes.
All right, yeah. Uh, okay. And then, what about the time here? Meaning that in the morning or in the afternoon, they are interested in learning English for young learner, Aurelia?
In the morning, sir.
In the morning, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
And then, which one they are interesting? Learning English with using uniform or maybe free for young learner?
I think for young learner will with uniform.
For uniform too.
Yeah.
All right, yeah. Based on your experiences, Aurelia, which one is more dominant your activity in teaching English young learner? Spoken form or written form?
Spoken, maybe.
Spoken, okay. Right here. And then here, you use a media when you teach English for young learner, Aurelia? You use media.
Yes, I think use media like
Mhm.
what we are teaching that day.
All right. They are interesting by using media. All right. Yeah.
Yes, using media.
For you, Aurelia, teaching English for young learner as individual teaching or as team teaching for you.
So, sorry, sir. Can you
Yeah,
repeat
I
it?
repeat once more. For you, Aurelia, when you teach English for young learner, which one is you are maybe preferring teaching as individual or as team teaching?
I think individual, sir. For
Individual.
young learner.
Okay. Do you have reason why, Aurelia?
Maybe if I teach young learner, I will can handle it by myself. Be,
Mm,
because I think a work with team is not uh, too good because the time is not.
it's
What can
not
I
enough.
say?
All right. Yeah. Okay. Aurelia, yeah. Spoken form. Yeah. Okay. Do you use as you yourself, Aurelia, as role model, or maybe you use recording from others?
Maybe
In
recording from
from
others.
others. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Uh, for beside, they learn English for young learner are interesting for group learning or individual learning for young learner.
I think they're like to group learning, sir.
Group learning, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. When you have maybe group learning, which one is more interesting for you as a English teacher? Each subgroup has maybe male and female student, or maybe one group for all of group is female student, and then another group is male student. Which one is, according to you, is have more advantages?
Maybe some part of student in one group, maybe, sir.
Male and female combined, or all of student female student in one group, all of
Yes.
student
All of
Which-
student,
female.
yeah.
So separate between male and female students, separate in one group.
I think yes. I think.
Okay, yeah. At the end of this maybe activity, more or less 3 months, yeah, already, yeah.
Yes.
You make assessment?
No,
No assessment.
no.
How to find that the improvement of young learner in learning English? How to know?
I think I will looking at their propositions, sir. Like, I think not all assessment will be good for them. So I can handle it by another way, like maybe when they are study with me, I will look with their characteristic.
All right, yeah. Okay, and then for future maybe already, yeah. You still interesting teaching English for young learner?
Yes.
All right, yeah. Okay, I think that's all already, yeah. Thanks for your
Thank
joining
you,
this class.
sir.
All right. Yeah. The next here is Chika. Chika, you with us? Chika, you with us? Chika,
Yes, sir.
Chika, would you like to make your camera on position, Chika? All right, yeah. Okay, Chika, we have discussion about our future after graduated from English department. Get the point, Chika?
Yes.
You have problem with our communication, or you don't have? You have problem with our communication?
No problem, sir.
No problem. Okay, Chika. For future, what kind of profession you are interested in? English teacher or non-English teacher?
A non-English teacher.
Non-English teacher. Would you like to mention more specific non-English teacher, Chika?
I think.
Yeah, your voice is not clear enough. Chika.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, now I can. Yeah, listen your voice. Would you like to repeat more specifically your profession?
Okay, so I think I want to be a translator for a receipt job. It's like converting receipt from one language to another while maintaining the clarity, accuracy, and cultural relevance of the original content.
All right. Do you have enough information with this profession, Chika?
I don't have enough information about this job, but since I like to cooking, and that's why I want to be a translator for a receipt job.
All right, yeah. What is the interesting element as translator, Chika? What is the interesting element or activity you are interested to become English translator?
Maybe like converting written receipt instruction, like the ingredients and cooking terms from one language to another.
All right, yeah. Do you have experience about this profession, Chika, as translator?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay, for future, Chika, if you are interested to become translator, you become translator, independent translator, or you join with your friend?
I think I'll be the independent translator, but if there's a team in this job, maybe I will join it.
All right, yeah. Okay, yeah. In translator activity here, you do in your home, or maybe you have an office.
I think I'll do it in my home, like online.
All right. All right, yeah. And then in translator profession here, for future here, what subject or what material, according to your understanding, Tika, are maybe dominant in translating?
Uh, can you repeat again the
All right,
question?
yeah.
Sorry.
Maybe the subject on the topic, or maybe others. Which one is more dominant for translation? Or topik apa yang kira-kira hanya akan diterjemahkan for future? Based on your understanding, Tika. Kira-kira, please make prediction. If you
What kind?
interested.
What kind
Pardon?
of the topic?
Jenis topik apa saja sebenarnya? Apa pendidikan, apa hukum, apa jual beli, perdagangan?
Actually, I choose a translator for a receipt. So it's like converting written receipt instruction.
Oh, converting receipt instruction. All right, yeah. Okay, yeah. And then you use maybe here translating receipt, yeah. English from English to become Indonesian language, or from Indonesian language become English?
Both.
Both of them.
Yes.
All right, yeah. Tika, yeah. And then to fulfill your maybe profession translator, what kind of activity nowadays you maybe improve besides learning English?
I think I have to know more knowledge about culinary terms and proofreading, maybe editing skills too.
Yeah, editing skill, right? All right, yeah. Which one is more interesting for you, learning or maybe additional knowledge, especially for translating, online or offline? Tika, get the point from my question, Tika? To improve, yeah. Your knowledge with translation, Tika. Which one is more interesting? You join maybe some courses, or maybe you independent learning?
Independent learning.
Independent learning. Have you started from nowadays, or maybe you postpone until you finish or graduated from this department to improve your maybe translation activities?
Maybe I will try it later, but not now.
All right, yeah. What about maybe the income or salary for translator? Is it interesting salary or income for translator, Chika, based on your understanding?
I don't know much about the salary, but I think they paid enough.
Paid enough. Have you got information?
Not yet.
Oh, not yet. This is a prediction, yeah?
Yes.
All right. Is it necessary for translator to have certificate?
Yes, it is.
Do you know the institution you have authority to maybe to what we call here, to deliver this maybe certificate. Do you know the
What's
profession? Yeah. Do you know the profession or institution here have authority? Yeah. To quarter of as English translator profesional. Institusi
I
yang
think
mempunyai kewenangan mengeluarkan sertifikat. Do you know?
not yet.
Oh, not yet. According to you, certificate for the translator profession, is it necessary or not, Jika?
It's necessary.
Mhm.
Maybe the translator should have the TOEFL test score higher than the average.
All right. Do you have maybe friend or family, a member family, have this profession, Jika?
No.
Not yet, yeah. Okay. Yeah, I think that's all, Jika. Thanks for your joining and participating in this class, yeah. Okay. I think that's all, Jika. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, welcome. The next is Ciara. Ciara, you with us? Ciara. You with us, Ciara? Halo, Ciara. Ciara Mutia. Okay, there is no response. The next here is Dita. What?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Dita, would you like to make your camera on position, yeah? Okay, Dita. Dita, for today, we try to actually in writing, but I think because this is today is online and we have recorded this activity, I have some question for you, Dita, yeah? Dita, can you hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
All right. Dita, what profession you are interested after you graduated from English department? English teacher or non-English teacher, Dita?
I'm interested in become an English teacher, sir.
English teacher.
Yes.
All right, yeah. Do you have experience become English teacher,
No,
Dita?
I don't have an
Have
experience yet.
experience. All right, yeah. And then teaching English. Which one is more interesting for you, Dita? Teaching English for young learner or adult learner?
I think teaching English for young learner will be more interesting because they will be more cheerful.
Cheerful. Uh-huh. How do you know teaching English for young learner more cheerful, Dita?
Because most of the kids that I met is cheerful usually.
Usually, okay, Chika. Teaching English for young learner. Is it necessary for teacher, English teacher, to know characteristic of English young learner English? Is it necessary or not?
I think
Characteristic.
I think it's necessary to know the characteristic of the young learner so the material that we teach could about the students could understand it better.
All right. Based on your understanding, actually, Dita, characteristic for young learner. Would you like to mention maybe one or more than one with two? What is the characteristic of young learner?
Characteristic characteristic of young learner. The young learner usually could remember remember faster, but
Or
probably they would be more harder to teach because their attention span is not too good. They might not too focus on the study.
right, yeah. based on your understanding, yeah, Chika, Kita, uh, teaching English for young learner, which one is more interesting for you? Teaching English for young learner in the room or out of the room?
I think teaching out of the room will be more interesting, but that will make it will be harder to mengatur anak-anak itu. Tapi kalau mau ngajar di dalam kelas, maybe if we teach them in the room will be more easier. But if it is interesting, I think it will be more interesting outside. But it will be easier if we teach them in the room.
In the room, yeah. Okay. Which one is uh, more suitable for learning English for young learner? In the morning or in the afternoon, Tita?
I think it will be better in the morning because in the morning we usually more energized, and in the afternoon they probably will be sleepy or tired, or so I think the morning is the best.
Correct, yeah. Okay, Tita. Uh, which one, based on maybe your experience or maybe your prediction, which one is more your priority in teaching English for young learner? Spoken or written form?
Uh, I think it will. I think spoken form. So we teach them how to speak, how to pronounce, so they could understand how to write it later.
All right. And then for young learner, what topic they are interesting based on your prediction, Tita?
If it's young learner, I think the most interesting topic would probably be like animals because maybe they will interest more in animals.
Okay. Is it necessary for English young learner to know when they are learning English the improvement? Is it necessary, Tita?
I'm sorry, sir. I can
Yeah,
understand.
it is necessary for improvement or achievement for young learner to know the
Oh,
improvement or maybe achievement.
I think it is necessary to know the improvement of the young learner, so we will know if they improve or not. If we're teaching them the wrong way, the right way or not, so they could understand. So I think it it's better if we know their improvement.
Okay, based on your prediction, yeah. Is it necessary for them to have assessment
For young learner,
for young learner? Yeah.
I don't think assessment is necessary.
Mm. How do you know to find that young learner have improvement in learning English?
Pardon?
Yeah. How can you understand that the English young learner can improve their learning English if you don't use assessment?
Oh, because from the articles that I read, I
Mhm.
heard that children is more easier to remember information. So I thought if we use the chance to teach them more in the class, they might understand it better than understand it through assessment.
Mm. All right, Chika. And then in maybe when you teaching English for young learner, which one is you are interesting? You teach as individual teacher or as team teaching?
Individual teacher, maybe
Team teaching or individual teaching?
individual teaching.
Individual teaching. Do you have reason why, Tita?
I just think that it probably will be easier if I do it myself.
Oh, is here.
So
Okay. What about maybe the young learner? Have you ever maybe make prediction for them? Yeah, only have English teacher or maybe more than one English teacher?
For the young learner, I think it will be best if they only have one teacher, so they could focus on one person. So their focus is not divided by few people teaching them at the same time.
Yeah, okay, right. Teacher, do you need media in teaching English for young learner?
Media, I think it's really
Learning
needed.
media, learning
Media,
media.
yes, learning media. I think it really needed because media is important. So we could probably make them more interest in the learning session by using the media, maybe like prototype or plan or toys. I don't know. So that could attract their attention and focus to the learning session.
Yeah. Okay, I think that's all, Rita. Thanks for your joining and cooperating with uh, this class here, essential reading class, reading and writing. Okay, I
Thank
think
you
that's
so
all,
much.
Rita. The next year, Fadola, Apat, you with us?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Fadola, would you like to make your camera on? Fadola, I have some
Already,
question
sir.
for you. Can you
Yes.
get my voice, Fadola?
Yes.
Okay, for future, Fadola, if you have graduated from English department, with profession you are interested, English teacher or non-English teacher?
So for the future, I would say, I think I have interesting in becoming English teacher, but in like some kind of course.
Oh, so you are interested become English teacher in course, yeah,
Yes.
Fadola? Do you have reason why?
Because maybe in course the class isn't as crowded in school. So how to we match the characters of the learners is way much easier, I say.
Okay, getting to you, English course here, but the salary. Do you have prediction? This is enough salary if you teaching English in English
Mm,
course? Based on your prediction,
it
maybe?
it depends on the I'm so sorry. Ya, sana apa ya? It depends on the foundations. So one that I know for sure is that I can't get that much salary in the first 3 semester. But yeah, I say I could climb to that.
Okay. Um, Fadola, do you have experience teaching English in English course, Fadola?
No, but
Not yet, yeah.
during high school, I was appointed to be in the club, so I
Mm.
was supposed to teach them the standard English in that English club. That is the
Yeah.
only time I ever teach.
The participant of English course, is it young
Yes,
learner or adult learner, Fadola?
I would say adults.
Adult learner. You are interested in teaching English to learner?
Yeah.
Do you have a reason why?
I mean, around like kid or teenagers learner are usually much more unpredictable. Meanwhile, in the other hand, the adults characteristic also way much more supposed to be way much more calmer. Or maybe I can become like um Indonesian course for the international student, etc.
All right, yeah. Teaching
Yeah,
English
for
at
foreign.
teaching English at English course here. Usually in the morning or in the afternoon. Padola, can you
I
get
would
my voice?
say in the afternoon.
In the afternoon. Is it efficient
Yeah,
learning
I
English in the
am.
afternoon? Based on your understanding, Padola?
Be- yeah, because since I want the students to be adults, so probably they have many jobs in the morning, etc. So I think it's much more uh let's just say comfortable if I do that in the
What about the material for English course? Based on your understanding, Padola, what kind of material
yeah about
they are learning?
the material probably also since it's adult, so it could be both like basic English or even um contin what
Mm-mm.
a continuance, an extension of English because it's for adults. So I would
The next,
say I would probably putting much more on the speaking courses.
yeah. So English course here more specifically in speaking skill. All right, and maybe learning teaching activities in English course. Yeah, they practice speaking individually or maybe with partner. Which one, Padola? The participant
I would say individually.
practice individual. Okay, what kind of material they are interesting, Padola?
What?
What kind of
I'm sorry.
material? What kind of material they are interesting in speaking?
Oh, what kind of materials? I would
Yeah.
say probably formal English materials because since yeah that comes before again my customer are supposed to be adults, so I would honestly see them goes to my course for practicing their formal English skills for their jobs.
All right. Yeah. In one session in English course, how many hours or how many minutes?
How many hours?
In one session when
I
they are
would
learning
say
English in
around three. Yeah, yeah. I would say around 3 hours
3 hours
because it's in the
in one
afternoon.
meeting.
So yeah,
In
because
the
it's in the
yeah,
afternoon. So yeah,
all right. In one meeting or they have study break.
in one meeting.
One meeting. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Based on your understanding, Fadula, as maybe what we call here teaching English at core English course here, they teach individually or they teach in team teaching.
What's the last
Yeah,
part,
I
sir?
repeat one. Yeah, all right. Teaching English in English course, they teach individually or they teach in team teaching?
Oh, um, based on my understanding, I remember it's to be like individually.
Individually. All right, yeah. In one session, in 1 week, how many sessions they have? How many meetings they have? One week, Fadula.
I would say around 3 up until 5 days a week.
5 days. All right, yeah. Okay. What do you think about English teacher in English course? Do they need have certificate
Um,
for
I'm
English
sorry,
teacher?
sir, I can't hear you.
Yeah. If maybe I teach an English course, sorry, get the point, yeah, Fadula, yeah. If you teach or I teach at English course, right? You get the point. Is it necessary for me to have certificate?
Okay, okay, it's back.
You get the
I'm
point,
sorry,
Fadula?
sir.
Uh-huh.
I can't hear you.
Ka- You can get your voice. Yeah. What about now? Can you get my
Hmm?
voice, Fadula?
Yes, yes,
Bisa dengar suara saya?
yes.
Alright. I
Bisa.
repeat once more. Teaching English at English course. Is it necessary for teacher to have certificate?
I would say yes, so that we knows that the teacher has the talents for it.
Alright, yeah. And then here, is it necessary for them have native for
I
the
don't think
participant?
so because
Then,
for the participant.
mm,
Yeah, I don't think so. It can
is it
be
not
come
necessary?
from many ranges. Yeah, it's not really necessary.
Okay. Fadula, is it necessary in teaching English at English course using media, learning media?
Yes, of course, so
Mm-mm.
that
What kind
we
of,
knows we can make sure.
all
Yes,
right,
what kind of? I would
what
say
kind of teaching media they maybe have, they should have in teaching English course?
in teaching English course, probably some materials like a book of the subject or also the problems that they want to discuss and probably the locations of it because the location have to be tidy up, etc., so that it's comfortable for us to teach and learning English.
Which one is more interesting, or maybe which one is more efficient? Teaching English online or offline in English course?
Since I want to speak in speaking, so I would say I would prefer offline because there is so many problem in the online such as like the bad connections, uh, the sounds too. So yeah, I would prefer offline.
Offline. Yeah, okay. Right. I think that's all, Abdullah, for today. Thanks for your joining and participating in this class. Okay, see you,
Thank you,
Abdullah.
sir.
Mm-mm. Fahra, are you with us, Fahra?
Yes, sir.
All right. Fahra, would you like to make your camera on position?
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
Okay, Farah, I have some question for you, Farah. Yeah. For future, which one is more interesting for you, Farah? you become English teacher or non-English teacher, Farah?
I think I interest to become an English teacher.
Mm-mm. Yeah, wait for a minute ya, Farah ya.
Yeah.
Okay, wait. Yeah, okay, Farah. I repeat once more. Which one is more interesting for you? Become English teacher or non-English teacher, Farah?
I interest to become an English teacher.
English teacher. Ya. Farah, do you have experience teaching English?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay, for future, yeah. Which one is more interesting for you, teaching English young learner or adult learner?
Um, I think young learner
Young learner. Do you have reason why, Farah?
because I think in my opinion it could be more easier to teach them
Easier, yeah. Why do you think teaching English young learner easier?
because they're obedient and
Mm-hmm. All right,
and
Sarah. Go ahead.
I think their thinking is still easy to teach and also they easy
Yeah,
to
they have high spirit maybe to learning English.
sorry.
Young learner have high spirit to learn English.
Yes.
All right. Farah, do you have maybe experience or knowledge? What is the characteristic of young English learner? The characteristic,
They're uh
characteristic,
yes.
Sarah. Do you know?
No, not yet.
Oh, not yet. Yeah. Characteristic meaning that, yeah, ciri-cirinya.
Mm.
Like maybe have a high spirit to learning, high motivation, or others. Yeah.
Yeah, they're uh easily to teach. I think
Mm-mm.
because their brain
Mm-mm.
is uh easy to catch material, but sometimes they are easily to lose focus too.
All right. For English young learner here, what kind of skill I think uh, in teaching English for young learner? What kind of skill they need to to learn for English young learner?
What skill?
Uh-uh. Skill in
Mm,
English, for language skill, right? We have for English language skill. What kind of skill for young learner are necessary to learn?
I think for young learner is maybe basic skill like mm, oh yeah.
Yeah. Do you know basic skill of learning English?
Yes, listening skill and then speaking like
All
that.
right. All right. Which one is more priority, Zahra?
I think speaking skill
Speaking skill. Do you have reason why?
because mm,
Uh, do you have reason why?
because speaking is for essential for effective
Mm,
communication for me, being a teacher, and then yeah,
mm,
to boost confidence too, and then it's important for education.
all right. What kind of topic they are interesting in speaking skill?
I think
Para.
their hobbies and then their uh
Hobi ya.
yeah.
Oke, Para. In speaking skill, which one is more interesting for young learner? Speaking individually or speaking in group?
Hmm, I think in a group
In group. Do you have a reason why?
because
Para.
they can improve their skill to speak with each other with their friends in a group.
Okay. What time are suitable for English young learner and learning English? In the morning or in the afternoon? Para.
In the morning
Do you have reason why?
because I think we still have more energy and uh, fun and yeah something like that if we do in morning.
In the morning.
Ulang tahun, saya ulang tahun. Ulang tahun terus. Pak, jajan Pak.
Ya, Bu. Yeah, okay, Farah. Which one is more interesting learning English for young learner? In the room or out of the room, Farah?
I think both is
Oh,
important
both.
for
But what more interesting?
um outdoor
Outdoor. Do you know the reason why outdoor is more interesting for young learner?
because beside we study we can explore uh any things on the outdoor like we can study too but we can make some fun too.
All right. Oh, all right. Yeah. Farah, which one is more maybe suitable for you? Teaching English young learner individual or as teaching team teaching?
mm, yeah because I think it more efficient and make myself easier to teach them.
So individual more interesting.
A team.
Oh, team. Yeah. Okay. I think that's all, Farah. Thanks for your joining.
Thank you,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah. You're welcome. Oke, kelas, wait for a moment ya. Saya istirahat sebentar. Yeah, okay, class. Let's continue our class. Yeah, we have still maybe some minute. The next student, Halimatus Saada. Halimatus Sadia. Halimatus Sadia, you will ask. Yeah,
Wait a minute.
all right.
Yes, sir.
All right. Halimatus, uh, I have some question for you. Yeah. Describing future. What profession you are interested? English teacher or non-English teacher, Halimatus?
I prefer to non-English teacher.
Non-English teacher.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. What kind of more specific, more non-English teacher?
Tour leader or tour guide because I graduate from tourism high school.
To
Tour leader or tour guide.
tour guide.
Yeah.
Okay. Um, what kind of object tourism are you are interesting, Halimatus?
Sorry, sir. Ini azan.
Yeah. Okay. Right. We stop for a moment. Yeah. Okay. Maybe next student, Indah. Indah Salsabila, you will ask.
Yes, sir. Sorry, here's Adan too.
Adan too, yeah.
Yes.
All right, yeah. You also we break for a moment. Okay. What about now, Halimatus? Spanish?
Still
Belum
solawat,
ya?
sir.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Indah, what about you, Indah?
Yes, sir.
Uh-uh. Can you, would you like to make your camera on position? Indah, bisa ya? Yeah, I have some question for you, Indah. Yeah, tell us profession you are interesting for future as English teacher or non-English teacher?
Yeah, actually, I am interested to be an English teacher.
English teacher.
Yes.
All right. And English teacher, uh, you, do you have experience teaching English, Indah?
Oh, I have experience just like teach my nephew and my cousin. They are
All right.
still in elementary school right now.
Elementary school. And then for future, which one you are interested in the teaching English for young learner or adult learner?
For young learners,
Do you have a reason why, Indah?
uh, I choose to teach for a student in elementary school because I think will teach them will more relaxed and fun.
Oh.
That students can create more dynamic and engaging learning environment.
Which one is more priority teaching English for young learner? Speaking skill or writing skill?
I think uh, listening and skills.
Listening and speaking.
Yes.
Do you have maybe reason why they become a priority?
Because maybe the first step for someone to study and by listening
All right.
some vocabulary or song like that.
Uh, According to your understanding, Indah, which one is more interesting for young learner in learning English? In classroom or out of classroom?
I think both of them is necessary, but I would uh, outdoor learning for your students.
Do you have reason why out of the learning?
Yes, because outdoor learning can simulate their curiously uh, with allowing them to connect real world experiences with English language. We can do activities like nature walk or doing some outdoor games so that they can develop their vocabulary and encourage social interaction with the others.
All right, yeah. Which one is you are interested in that? Teaching English as individual teacher or as team teaching?
I think for junior students, I will rather choose individual. So,
Individual, yeah. Why? Do you have reason?
because I think I still can handle it by myself.
All right, yeah. If teaching English for young learner, is it necessary for teacher to have preparation?
Yes, sir.
Mm-mm.
Necessary.
What should they do in preparation?
But to understand the variety of characteristics.
All right. Do you need English learning media and teaching English for young learner?
Sorry, sir?
Do the teacher need learning media in teaching English for young learner?
Yes, yes.
Learning media. What kind of learning media the most interesting for English young learner?
Maybe with watching some videos or songs in English language
All right. After looking at video or maybe others, what next activity for them, for English young learner?
And maybe we will try to what
After watching video, what kind of activity? The next for the next.
after we watch that we can write about the vocabulary,
All right.
name vocabulary.
All right. When the learner watching video or others activity, what is the role of English teacher?
When they watching them, the teacher is memperhatikan, menjaga situasi agar tetap still conducive, and then after that the teacher will guide them to do the assessment.
Okay, all right.
Yes.
All right. I think that's all, Indah. Thank you for your joining and participating in this class. Okay, class. I think today is enough for you. Maybe for next meeting we have maybe some session review. We continue activity with maybe some students who do not have opportunity to communicate with us. Yeah, if maybe we use either here offline or online. Okay, class, thanks for your participating in this class. Don't regret because we have recorded this activity. So I know those who are students have opportunity to communicate with us, maybe those who do not have. Yeah, okay. See you next meeting. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yeah, thank you.
Waalaikumsalam. Thank you.